This is AI in 60. Today's workflow, generating procedures. The maintenance procedure you see here was generated by AI in just a few seconds. Let's look at how we got there. As always, it begins with data. Here's what you need: digital copies of equipment manuals, past work orders, both preventive and corrective, asset details like name, make, and model. Make sure you supply as much information as you have so you can get the best results from AI. Now we can move to creating the procedure. We'll start by inputting a title. We'll also specify an asset, inspection type, and frequency. Then we come to the prompt, which should be as specific as possible, including a format, measurements, and any steps you want included. You can also attach manuals for more context. Now let's generate the procedure. And here we are, a complete, editable, step-by-step procedure made with AI, including meter readings, inspection tasks, and a photo field. Want more ideas for using AI in maintenance? Visit getmaintainx.com/AI playbook.